Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well as can be in the current situation that we are all in. We are currently in isolation because Mika had a very high temperature last week and developed a cough. I don't think she has coronavirus, but it was kind of like a precaution, so more for other people than for us. I'm not really worried about us as such, more for Aria because she's got asthma. Anyway, I am now ill as well, but the show must go on, as they say, and I'm very excited for this because it is Snack Surprise. For those of you that don't know, I had my first Snack Surprise box last month. They were $11.99, I think. I'll link it somewhere. And it's like a different snacks from around the world every month, and it was such amazing value. Like, I absolutely love it. So this is the March box. I have no idea what the theme is. I haven't undone it, it only came today. Yeah, and I just want to get in and get some snacks because I'm homeschooling the girls. We've been off since last Thursday. It's now Wednesday, so we've been homeschooling for nearly a week. We're all really enjoying it, but I need some snacks. I need some snacks. So, Snack Surprise. Let's get in. Wait, I'll open it this way. I don't want to whip the snacks. And I have no idea. Oh, Italy! Oh, ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Ooh, I can see something with Nutella on it. That was a gross face. I apologise about that. You didn't need to see that. Okay, first thing is Yonkers snack alla formaggio, which I'm assuming is cheese snack. Formaggio is formaggio cheese? Formaggio cheese. Corn and cheese snacks, baked in the oven and not fried. If you don't lick your fingers afterwards, it's only half the fun. Okay, let's get in these. I like the name, Yonkers. Oh, they smell like what's it? The little hoopy hoops. Oh my god, they're amazing. I'm not sharing these. Ben is just there. I'm not sharing these. Oh my god, they're so good. They taste like cheesy balls from Tesco's. Tesco's cheesy value balls. They taste like them, and they're yummy. Okay. Fonzie's, the original. No idea what these are. Fonzie's. Oh no. Yonkers were puffs. These are also cheese. So these are the ones I just said. I just got excited. These are cheese as well. Oh, cheese. Ooh. Oh, they smell good as well. These little sticks. If it's your first time here, I love cheese. Oh, these are better than the last ones. I'm not sharing these either. Oh my god, these are so good. After last month's box, I had so many people messaging me going, you can get this from this, and the places where I can get some of the snacks. If anyone knows where I can get these in the UK, message me and I'll be your best mate forever. Oh my god, these are amazing. He's not having these either. I might give up these, but he's not having these. Oh my god, they're so good. Okay, next up. I can't have this because it's got caffeine in it. But it's a Pepsi Twist Lemon. Ben will like this. Oh, Kinder. I've got a Kinder Cards. What is this? Kinder Cards is a waffle, a speciality consisting of milk and cocoa cream filling in 2 crunchy wafers. Excuse me. Oh, there's two. They look yummy. They look really good. They're quite heavy. No, it says Kinder. Inside is like the normal Kinder. Oh my god, they're amazing. I'll save them for the kids. They're so good. Wow, that's yummy. Okay. Oh my god, that was so good. I really want to eat all of that. Okay, next, I don't like jelly sweets, but these look like big jelly sweets. And these are Feeder Bonnell Squisite. Soft fruit jellies, 100% vegan, and made with fruit pectin. I really don't like jelly sweets like this, but I will try them because that is the name of the game. Trying everything. I'm gonna get a green one because green for the win. Oh, it's in the shape of a lime as well. They're quite cute. They smell good. Oh, I don't like the texture. Oh, no. Look at the texture. I don't like the texture at all. Oh, I just swallowed that. I didn't want to chew that again. Oh, not a bad flavour, but the texture, no. It's buzzing me. My friends are just, we've got a group chat about homeschool. Anyway, I didn't like that. Okay, this one is mystery candy, double gummy candy with 3 different fruit flavours and 3 colours to be discovered. Iconic Italian candy loved by children, teens and adults. Let's have a look. Oh, I broke it. Ooh. Okay, so I didn't break it, there's 2. I don't typically eat stuff like this. It's just not my favourite. If I'm gonna eat calories that are gonna make me fat, then I'd rather eat chocolate and crisps. But it's not bad. Okay, next up, we've got a huge box. Milfogli Mimi Snack. They look like little pastries with like hazelnut cream in them. Yeah, puff pastry rolls with hazelnut cream. It's a ginormous box. There's like 5 in here. Oh, and they're individually wrapped, which I appreciate. Very nice. They look like sausage rolls. It literally looks like a Greggs sausage roll. Excuse me. They're good. Tastes kind of like it's got Nutella in the middle. They're really nice. Nice light pastry. Oh, I'm going to eat that afterwards. That's yummy. I'm doing the coconut one first because I don't like coconut. This is what it looks like. Oh, it smells very coconutty. It's not bad, but I don't like coconut. I'm sure if you like coconut, you'd be like all over that shit. But I don't like coconut. So I'm just going to move on. And I'm going to open the Bueno looking one. It literally looks like a Bueno, but it's massive. It is a Bueno, but it's massive, look. Let's just have one little. Ooh, and it's got a hazelnut in the middle. Oh my god, it's like, it literally tastes like a Ferrero Rocher. Okay. It's got hazelnut in the middle. Why can't I see that on there? Oh yeah. 3 crunchy hazelnuts embedded in crispy soft. It literally is a Ferrero Rocher, but 3 times. That's yummy. That's really, really good. I can't get it back in the packet now. You can just live in the box. Okay, So we've got 2 things left. We've got 2 lots of biscuits. I'm doing this one next, the Ringo. Ooh, they look yummy. So there's a little chocolate one on the top and then there's cream in the middle. Ooh, popped it open. Oh, it smells like an Oreo. That is mega. So you get vanilla or chocolate, and we've got vanilla. God, they're yummy. And then Italian cocoa and hazelnut biscuits with a magical heart of cream. What? Ooh. Oh, they're so cute. Look. How nice is that? How shiny that is. Ooh. It has got like chocolate in the middle. That is really good. I'm not eating any more of that though, because I'm starting to feel a bit sick. However, camera focus. I am going back to eat the rest of this Kinder Bueno thing. There is another one for the kids. Mostly yummy. It's so good. So good. Other than the jelly sweets, but that's just me not liking jelly sweets, and the texture was very odd. It's awesome. I have noticed that quite a lot of other countries, they love their wafers. I don't think we have enough wafer things in the UK. But yeah, hands down winner is these bad boys, these cheesy ones. I'm totally gonna go and sit and eat them in a minute. I will let Ben come in and let him pick what he wants to eat. But yeah, I will let the kids try everything tomorrow. They can be very excited. When it arrived today, they were like, can we open it? And I was like, not yet. So they were a little bit sad when they went to bed, but they'll be very happy in the morning when they wake up and get to just pick loads of different chocolates that they want to eat for breakfast, because no school. Oh, I feel a little bit like I need a heartburn tablet right now, because that's a lot of chocolate just tasted, but it was good. I love this box. It is my favourite snack box by far. Yeah, I think it's awesome. That's all I can say really. I can't wait till next month. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Oh, excuse me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.